In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on and set up Discord Overlay. The overlay lets you see who's talking, check notifications, and use quick controls while you're in a game, all without leaving full screen. We'll keep it simple and make sure everything is clear so you can get it working smoothly. Start by opening Discord. Look to the bottom left of the app window and click the small gear icon. That opens User Settings, which is where most of your personalization options live. At the top of Settings, you'll see a search bar. Type Game Overlay, and then click the Game Overlay result to jump right to the correct page. Here, you'll find the main switch for Enable Overlay. Turn that on. This is what allows the in-game panel to show up when you're playing. Right next to that switch, there's a small caret icon. Click it to expand the section. You'll now see a list of applications and games that Discord has detected on your system. For each one, you can toggle the overlay on or off. This is handy if you only want the overlay in certain titles, like enabling it for voice-heavy games and disabling it for single-player sessions where you want a clean screen. Next, scroll down to customize how the overlay behaves. You can adjust the voice widget, including its size and interactions. The voice widget is the little panel that shows who's talking, their volume activity, and connection state. Choose a size that's readable without getting in your way, and set how you want it to react when people join, leave, or speak. You'll also find notification controls. Dial these in so you get the alerts you care about, things like incoming calls or messages, while minimizing pop-ups that could distract you mid-match. You can also set the hotkey for the overlay. This is the keyboard shortcut you'll press to bring the overlay in or out while you're in a game. Pick a combination that's easy for you to hit, but unlikely to conflict with your game's own controls. If you're unsure, a 2 or 3 key combo often works best. Once you've enabled the overlay, chosen the apps it applies to, customize the widget and notifications, and set your hotkey, you're good to go. Launch a game, use your hotkey to toggle the panel, and make small adjustments later if you want a different balance between visibility and minimalism. And there you go. Your Discord overlay is set up and ready to enhance your gaming sessions. That's all.